Hello guys, today I will gonna teach you the basic tutorial how to make book bind, especially your own in your own business. Okay, let's start. So first thing, we gonna need the book binding manual machine. The second one is the plastic spiral book binding. This is flexible. Third one is the back-to-back cover. Fourth one, the paper that you want to binding. So this one is already a book bind. So I will open it. And I will make one copy and then I will make book bind. Okay, and now I will insert this this book bind into the manual machine. Okay, now I will pull the handle. If you could see the plastic binding, it will become open, and remove it. Okay, so easy guys. And then this paper that I will remove, so I will make one copy. So let's go to a photocopy machine. Now I'm here in the photocopy machine, so I will insert the paper that I want to copy. Okay, this one, and then you can see the density. If you see light the paper, you can adjust the dark and bright. So just press the density. Okay, I will press like this, and I will press the dark. Okay, so finish. And then you can press the copy, reset, and start. Okay, so the paper will process now. Okay, and then you could see the paper, it go out. Okay, the copy is already done. I can take it the original copy and I will take the copy. Okay, and let's proceed again into the binding machine. Now I will return it back again, the original, into the plastic binding. So you can insert it again like this, and return it back the cover, and then push. Okay, you get it guys? Now I will start the binding. Okay, let's start to book bind this document. Okay, if you insert like this, so thick, not enough. So if you could see, you take some, insert it, it's enough. So this one you can arrange properly and pull down. Okay, and remove it. See, you could see the papers there is hole. Okay, same process, my friend. Okay, so put it like this, and then take some. Same procedure. Insert it. Pull down. Okay. So you can see. Be careful the numbering, my friend. Okay. So insert it again. Same procedure. Okay, it's already done. All I put it holding, okay? See? And now I will insert it into the book binding plastic. So I put it like this, insert it, and I pull. Okay? You will see already open. And now I will put it first the cover. See, back to back cover. This is the same machine. Okay, so it's already pulling. Now I will insert the first one at the back. Okay, one, and I will insert it okay, like this. Oh, it's so easy. It's done already, my friend. So, thank you. I hope you are enjoying my tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Okay.